सेक्शन ए है वो आता है रीडिंग सेक्शन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, रीड द फॉलोइंग पैसेज एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस दैट फॉलो। One major problem that faces the world today is the rapid growth of population, often referred to as population explosion. First question पढ़ते हैं। One major problem the world is facing today is, दूसरा, the best way to be fit is, तीसरा, when has the rise in world's population been greatest, चौथा, what will be the impact of this population explosion, पांचवा, find the word from the passage which means fast, छठा, find from the passage the opposite of decrease, दूसरा प्रश्न, read the following passage and answer the questions that follow. It has become common knowledge that yoga is good for you. हम सीधा क्वेश्चंस देखते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, what is good for us today? दूसरा, what should we understand between stress, yoga and disease? तीसरा, what percent of illness and disease is stress, for which diseases is yoga being used as a therapy? चौथा, for which diseases is yoga being used as a therapy? पांचवा, how is long term stress harmful? छठा प्रश्न, how is normal level of cortisol hormone useful? सातवां, how is short term stress good thing? आठवां, find from the passage the word which means sleep disorder. नौवां, find from the passage the opposite of fertility. फिर आगे आता है सेक्शन बी, राइटिंग सेक्शन। तीसरा, write a letter to your uncle informing him about your improvement of performance in second term tests. Suppose you are Garima Gaurav, you may use the following hints clues. First, your performance in the earlier test. Second, the subject that you improved upon. Third, your efforts for the improvement of performance. इसी के अथवा में write an application to the principal of Government Senior Secondary School Bari requesting him to inform you about the payment of the scholarship of the last year. चौथा प्रश्न, write a story using the outline given below. Assign a suitable title and moral to it. A good boy shuns apple falls in bad company, all in vain disobeys father. इसी के और में a thief catch hang, thief golden flute brought before the king. पांचवा प्रश्न, राइट ए पैराग्राफ ऑफ अबाउट 80 वर्ड्स यूजिंग द विजुअल एड गिवन बिलो। तो ये आपको इमेज है वो दी गई है, इसके बेस पर आप पैराग्राफ लिख सकते हो। इसी के और में देखिए, राइट ए पैराग्राफ इन अबाउट 80 वर्ड्स ऑन पॉल्यूशन। फिर सेक्शन सी आता है, ग्रामर सेक्शन। सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन, ए, चूज द करेक्ट वर्ब। फर्स्ट, सेकंड, बी, फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स विद एप्रोप्रिएट फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब्स गिवन इन द ब्रैकेट्स। थर्ड, फोर्थ। सेवंथ क्वेश्चन, rewrite the following sentences changing them into indirect speech. First, second. Eighth question, fill in the blanks with a verb in agreement with its subject. First, second. Ninth, change the following sentences into passive voice. First, second. Tenth, first. Frame question of the following sentence. सेकंड, एड क्वेश्चन टैग टू द स्टेटमेंट गिवन बिलो। आगे सेक्शन डी आता है, 11वां प्रश्न, रीड द फॉलोइंग पैसेज एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस दैट फॉलो। हिज पेरेंट्स एंड हिज ब्रदर्स एंड सिस्टर हैड लैंडेड ऑन दिस ग्रीन फ्लोरिंग अहेड ऑफ हिम। फर्स्ट, द यंग seagull dropped his legs to stand on the. Second, what was offered to young seagull by his family? Third, what happened when he tried to stand on the green sea? Fourth, what did his family do when he was floating on the sea? इसकी अथवा में देखिए, at that point he became known as the Buddha. First, Buddha preached his first terminate. Second, what happened to the son of Kisa Gautami? Third, what did Kisa Gautami do in her grief? Fourth, what did the man say to Kisa Gautami? Fifth, find out from the passage the word similar in meaning to saved. Sixth, find out from the passage the word opposite in meaning to alive. 12th, answer any three of the following questions in about 20 to 30 words. First, second, third, fourth. 13th, answer any one of the following questions in about 80 words. First, second. 14th, answer any one of the following questions in about 40 words. First, second. 15th, read any one of the following extracts and answer the questions that follow. But he is locked in a concrete cell. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सेकंड क्वेश्चन, इसकी अथवा में देखिए, दो टू डिस्टिंग्विश बीस्ट ऑफ प्रे। फर्स्ट, सेकंड, 16th क्वेश्चन, आंसर एनी टू ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन अबाउट 20 वर्ड्स। फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड। 17th, आंसर एनी वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन अबाउट 80 वर्ड्स। फर्स्ट, सेकंड। 18th, आंसर एनी टू ऑफ द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चंस इन अबाउट 20 वर्ड्स। फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड। 19th, चूज द करेक्ट आंसर। फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ।